Welcome to Kibbitz Online. We have created this platform to help you access a whole variety of classes, events, and much more. Today, I want to help you learn how to navigate Kibbitz Online so that you can find the classes you are interested in and take full advantage of Kibbitz. You can follow along with me on your home computer. Let's start by checking out the home page of Kibbitz Online. At the top of the page, you can see this search bar where you can type in a word to search for a specific event. If you scroll down, you can see a handful of highlighted events that we thought you might be interested in. Right below these 6 highlighted events, you have options and ways to filter events to generate a list that you might be most interested in. Automatically, you are set to see today's events and events coming up soon, but you can also choose to click on the left pointing or right pointing arrows to view past events or future events. You can also use the search events in this box here, which is just like the box I showed you at the top of the page. If you are browsing and want to see what types of events are available, click on the detailed search button. Now you can narrow your results by hosts, teachers, topics, and/or cost. As you can see, we have a number of host organizations in the New York area. You may find that as you frequent Kibbitz, you have a favorite host or teacher. Let's click on topics. From the get-go, you may know what types of events you are most interested in. You also may see topics that you wouldn't have thought of. Lastly is the cost filter. You can choose to see events that are free or within a certain price range. The page automatically updates as you choose specific filters, making it pretty easy to navigate. Feel free to scroll down to view the results that remain based on the preferences that we choose in the filters. One additional feature that I want to highlight is the on-demand menu. If you are up early in the morning or had to miss an online event because you had a conflict, this feature is for you. Let's scroll back up to the top and please see right here that you can choose between upcoming events and on-demand. Click on the on-demand text, and as you scroll down, you can see some featured content and other quality content below. You can scroll through to browse content, or you can search the on-demand menu or filter it the same way that you can with upcoming events. One last tip. If you scroll all the way down, you can see a box to sign up for our newsletter. This is a great way to get updates about Kibbitz Online, including new events and more. Make sure to sign up if you want Kibbitz like no other. Thank you for joining us for this welcome video. We hope that you come back to Kibbitz daily. We are regularly adding content and do not want you to miss out.